Alright guys, today I want to do a quick unboxing review on my new Jump Starter with air compressor. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending this out for review. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. So you get your user manual. And then you get everything right here in this nice carrying case. Let's look at the actual device. Check it out. Light, that's for the air compressor. Type C, that should be a USB out. And this should be to charge it. So we'll double check that here in a second. Let's turn it on. All right, we're ready to go. All right, so it comes with these tips for the air compressor. So it's like the ones for the ball. There's ones for other types of items. It looks like it charges with the Type C cable right here. And it looks like if you want to charge it in the vehicle, it'll use that other option right there. This is the hose for the air compressor, so we'll just go ahead and hook it up. Should just twist on right here. All right, it's good to go. And then right here, we lift this part up. There it is, it's good to go. So literally, now all you have to do is plug it in to the corresponding parts of the battery, and it's gonna fire right up. I do wanna try out the air compressor side of it. Disconnect this. So as you can see, super simple to set this up and be ready to go. It also does come with a flashlight. See that? That's cool. Different colors. So it's nice in case of an emergency, you know that you do have a flashlight here ready to go. And then if we do want to use this, there is an option on here. As you can see, there's like a car on there. And then there's like a motorcycle, just depending on what you're inflating. Bicycle, a ball, and then a vehicle. And we're just gonna hit on. It's very ready to go. So we'll just go ahead and try here really quickly. And then I do want to try out this out port. So here I am just going to test it out real quick. It is a maximum pressure of 150 PSI. So let's go ahead and test it out. As you can see, you can actually see the reading on there. It's really easy to use. All right, so we're going to go ahead and hook it up to this one right here. We'll just test it out because it's also a battery. All right, there it is. We are charged. So very nice in case of emergency. You have that flashlight, you can fill up your tire, you can charge any device, you can jump start the car. If you're looking for a new portable jump starter, I definitely look at this one. Highly recommend, 10 out of 10.